Let us prepare spicy chicken masala. Into a pan kept over low flame, add 2 tablespoon ghee. To this add 2 tablespoon chopped ginger and 2 tablespoon chopped garlic. Saute this for a while. Add 3 green chilies chopped and fry these. Now add 2 large onions sliced and saute till the onion turns soft. Then add half tablespoon salt also. Now fry till the onion turns light brown. Now we'll start adding the spices. Half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and half tablespoon crushed pepper. Now mix everything and saute for at least 1 minute. Combine a small tomato also with this. Fry until tomatoes also turn soft. I am adding 250 grams of chicken here, which is nicely washed and cleaned. Now I am adding half cup water also. Give it a mix. Now we'll have to cover this and cook for at least 20 minutes on low flame. Here you have to stir this occasionally. After 20 minutes, let's open the lid. Give everything a mix. Add half tablespoon garam masala and a few freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Cover and cook for 1 more minute. That's it. Spicy chicken masala is ready to serve. If you are new to our channel, we welcome you to subscribe to this. If you like this recipe, please like this video and share this with your friends also. Thank you for watching.